A man lost his life in a three-vehicle crash in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have identified a man who lost his life in a three-vehicle crash on the Contin Main Road in Manchester on Tuesday. He has been identified as 48-year-old Carlton Simpson, a resident of Porus in Manchester. According to a police report, around 7:25 p.m., Simpson was driving a Honda Civic motor car when he overtook a truck and collided in another vehicle head-on, which was traveling in the opposite direction. Police said that the impact resulted in the Honda Civic being pushed into the path of an oncoming vehicle.
Why, rough thing going on Kirkvine in the night, you know? For real. So while the photo one carrier. For real, man. Kirkvine, Manchester, this happened, you see it? Just a short while ago. Car we are not topless, end up turn topless. Man lost all them lives. Why we need to take time on the road, you know? For real. Why? I just say, you know? For real. Sorry if you see what I go on, but still can't help you see it. You have to just look.
Firefighters were called to remove Simpson from the Honda Civic. He was transported to the Manchester Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The Manchester police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.